Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Praise Digital Hub, and what we do here is to bring you useful business information so that you can make informed business decision. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. We are honored to have you, and for the returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you so much for coming around. Thank you for sharing our videos. Thank you for watching them. Thank you for liking them. Thank you for your comment and your advice. We really do appreciate it. So we want to quickly teach you how to use Canva Magic Design to create thumbnail for your YouTube videos or your YouTube short. You know, we are in the era of artificial intelligence, AI, and a lot of AI has been coming up and making the online space easier for people that work online. So we discovered that you can use Canva Magic Design to create thumbnail for your videos or for your shorts and a whole lot of other things. But on this video, we are focusing on how to use Canva Magic Design to create thumbnail for your YouTube video. So you come here, you can type Magic Design for YouTube video on how to start a business in Nigeria. Okay, you want the magic design to bring samples of YouTube magic design for YouTube video thumbnail. I didn't put thumbnail, video thumbnail, and how to start a business in Nigeria. Let me correct that YouTube. I put the characteristic T so that it was computer will not select, will not highlight it again. Capital T rather. Okay. It's still not yet okay. Magic design for YouTube video on how to start a business in Nigeria. So you search, you hit enter. Okay, or you just pick this and allow it to load. Okay, you can see magic design for video thumbnail on how to start a business in Nigeria. It has loaded. Then it will ask you, try magic design. It will ask you to insert image. So you can come here if you have an image there, fine. If you don't have, you can upload. But being that I have, I just want to use what I have to show you this. So you can quickly pick let me use this. So you allow it to load. You allow it to load. It is downloading. So you see the options is giving us. But one thing is clear, you have to look at the description down the options and know whether it is what you want. This one is the first option and it's a video. You will know whether it is video thumbnail that you want. And this is the size of the video that have this thumbnail. The same with this one. So we keep moving. Okay, this one is a YouTube thumbnail and you see the size of the video. This looks more like what we are searching for, but let's continue. So we move on. You see this one video, this one has many pictures. It's not what we are looking for. Let's keep moving. So we come to this one, 2023 business ideas. This one too is video, but I'm not sure whether it's what we are looking for. Let's keep moving. Okay, how to start home internet business. This one looks like what we're looking for, but it's still a video. Let's keep moving. This one is on digital marketing. Let's keep moving. This one, let's keep moving. Okay, we have come to the last, but we have to choose one so that we can get our thumbnail done to get our video published. And to do that, I think we have to choose this one. Then we come here and click customize. Now this is Canva Pro. And remember, the one we chose is the one that is not a video. So it's bringing us to the place where we'll edit it, put our preferred topic and any other thing that we need to put on it to make the thumbnail look good and standard. So it's still loading. Let's wait. Okay, it is downloading. It is almost downloading. It's still loading a little bit up there. It is okay, it's downloading. So what we do here now is to change this topic into what we have in mind. So you come here, like it say write your topic. So we are going to write our topic now. You can write how to start a business in Nigeria. I have I have a video on this already, so that's why I'm just using it. Then you come and customize this to suit your whatever you are doing, or you leave it, or you delete it. Then this one too, you do the same thing. You can customize it, add what you want to add there, or you delete it. So you see now with ease, this thing is ready. This one too, you can delete. This thing is ready. Instead of going to search all through the videos or all through the options they will give you downstairs and start choosing the one that you think that is good. But is ready in a few minutes. So what we do here is just to go to share, then scroll down to download, then select this and choose JPG file, then we download. It is done within few minutes. So this is how to use a Canva Magic Design to design a YouTube thumbnail for your video. I hope this has added value to you. Please do us well to subscribe to this channel. Smash the notification button when you have subscribed. Like and share the video. Share it to your friend, to your colleague, to your loved ones, to everybody. And give us a thumb up. You can type Magic Design in the comment section. Maybe there are areas you want us to research into. Still let us know. Thank you for watching. This is Press Digital Hub.